Hey guys, guys, welcome to this wonderful tutorial on sword. So briefly, I'll tell you guys and briefly explain what sword is all about. So what sword is. So sword are irrational roots of whole numbers. Take note of this word, irrational. And take note of this word, roots. Are you getting me? That is sword are irrational roots of number. Take note of this word, irrational root. This irrational root is the major stuff that you need to know. Are you getting me? Or understand that sword is, you get the point. So when I mean irrational roots, it means that any roots, you know that a root is something in this form. This something like this is called a root. Are you getting me? This n is the type of root. Are you getting me? Maybe this n presents the range of root, maybe square root, cube root. Then this is called radical root. Then this here is the whole number. So any root either being square roots, that is square root, that is the second root. Any root, it can be square roots, can be even cube roots. See, cube roots of a number that give you an irrational value. Take for example square root of 3. Okay, square root of 3. Let me write this clearly. Let me say you have something like this. Okay, square root of 3, cube root of 7. If you use your calculator to check the value that this stuff will give you, square root of 3, square root of 7, you see that they are irrational. So this stuff you are seeing, they are called surd. Are you getting me? And also note, not all roots are surd. That means if you take the root of a number, you get irrational value. That root is said not to be surd. That means if you take the root of 9, for example, roots, that is square root. So these are square root now, 16, 81. These term they are not surd. Or cube root of 8, cube root of 27, cube root of 8. So I'm just using square root and cube root. These term they are not surd. Are you getting me? These term are not what surd, because this term are not surd because this term will give me a rational value, but this one here, this one will give me rational, but this one here will give me irrational. So this stuff here are said to be called, so the one that give me irrational is said to be called surd. So okay, so welcome. So I said that I'll give the rules of surd. So these are the rules of surd that you should know. Basically in this video, it's just a basic video. So basically in this video, I'm just doing a sort of square root. Are you getting me? But later on, we are going to in this course of surd, later on we are going to go into other roots, radical equation. When you do radical equation, we'll do other stuff. So these are the rules of surd. You get me? These are the rules for surd. The first rule is the multiplication rule. It means that this one that you see here, this first one that I underline, so this that is in bracket, that number one that's in bracket, x multiplied by y. It means that, take note, this x and y, they are whole number. It means that you can, if you have two number multiplying each other under a root, are you getting me? Or under a root, it means that you can take the root of each term separately and then multiply it. Are you getting me? You can take the root of x, multiply the root of x separately and multiply to the root of y separately. Are you getting me? The same thing goes for division. It means that for division, you can take the root of x and divide it to the root of y separately. Are you getting me? That means I can also write this as root x over root y. Are you getting me? Root x over root y. And also the for the third part is different for addition and subtraction. Are you getting me? For addition and subtraction, I can't add take the root of each term separately and add it. That's why I said that root in this third term, I said that root x plus y, are you getting me, together is not equals to the root of x separately plus the root of y separately. This sign here means not equal to. Are you getting? They are not equal to. And also the root of x minus y in brackets are not equal to the root of x separately divided by the sorry, yeah, it's supposed to be minus, does not equal to the root of x separately minus the root of y separately. So that is one thing you should know, and that is the basic stuff you should know about. So that irrational root of whole number, that is what SOLD is talking about. So that would be all for today. That would just be all for the basic introduction. So guys, that will be all for today. So if you like this video, don't forget to share to your friends and family. So that will be all for today, guys. So in the next video, I will tell you how to apply this rule of SOLD in solving simple SOLD, addition, division, stuff, subtraction, division, stuff like that. So that will be all for today. So have a nice day. So that is all for today's video.